There are a number of ways to verify the status of the employees within your management chain. The easiest way is to click Performance Evaluations. Choose the employee you'd like, then click Print Preview. You will now be able to see the rating and any comments in the goals, core values, observation and feedback, or performance level. All of this can be done before the employee's manager signs and releases the evaluation to the employee. Remember, you must set the expectation to those supervisors reporting to you. Let them know when you want to approve an evaluation before it's finalized. As always, you must approve every evaluation which falls below expectations.